Here is the compressor that comes with the kit, attached with the 3 airbrush holders. I'm currently using one of the bigger airbrushes that it comes with. I made a little impromptu base to paint on here with a miniature right here, as you can see. Not my best work, but I am still learning, but goes to show that what it comes with works extremely well. It is very, very useful. These are all with the 6 paints that it comes with the airbrush cleaner and reducer and base, which works as a thinner as well, even though these paints already come like ready to spray, so you don't have to thin them, but if you want, you can use this as well. And overall, it's a really, really neat product. Works great out of the box. Really, really worth it. I highly recommend it. It doesn't make too much noise. You can adjust the valve from here. And to give you an idea on the noise, and this is what happens when you use it. Honestly, best purchase I could ever make, and highly recommend it to anyone that wants to begin in airbrushing but don't want to pay super cheap for anything that might break down the line. This is a really good kit, and I highly recommend it.
I just got the Master Airbrush. It is so nice. The compressor, I had ordered a bunch of templates. It's got the spatter gun, the spatter brush, I mean. This set is really, really nice. And what I love, each individual gun does its own things, but they all come with their own cases, their own tools, their own needles, and their own instructions and what you use each individual gun for. So that's really helpful for a beginner like me to get this whole set. And it comes with 6 colors. I ordered some more when I bought this color mixing wheel. Yeah, it is a very totally complete set, and I can't wait to get this going and YouTube some videos about how to use it and go start painting.
Bueno, 50 segundos y se apagó porque ahora sigo prendiendo. Solo 50 segundos.